Hello and welcome to today's question. We have that 4 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 40, and we're supposed to find the value of x. So at this point, you can decide to pause the video and solve the question, and let me know your answer in the comments, or you can just follow along as I solve. Solution. So we have 4 raised to power x minus 2 equals 40. So now, to find the value of x, we need to first of all consider the law of indices that states that when we have a raised to power m minus n, it is the same thing as a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. Now this rule we're going to apply to the left hand side of our equation, which now becomes 4 raised to power x divided by 4 raised to power 2 equals 40. Now we have 4 raised to power x divided by 4 squared is 16 equals 40, and when we cross multiply, we have 4 raised to power x times 1 equals 40 times 16. Now, to find the value of x, we now supply logarithm to both sides of the equation, which now becomes log of 4 raised to power x equals log of 40 times 16. Now, from our log rule, we know that when we have log of b base a, it is the same as a log of b. And also, when we have log of a times b, it is the same as log of a plus log of b. These two rules we're going to apply to our equation. And so our equation now becomes x log 4 equals log 40 plus log 16. Now, let us go ahead and break down 40 and 16. We know that 40 is the same as 2 here is 20, 2 here is 10, 2 here is 5, 5 is 1. So 2 raised to power 3 times 5. 16 is the same as 2 here is 8, 2 here is 4, 2 here is 2, 2 here is 1, 2 raised to power 4. Okay, so now we have x log 4 equals log of 2 raised to power 3 times 5 plus log of 2 raised to power 4. Now we have x log 4 equals log of 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 plus log 2 raised to power 4. Now let us go ahead and divide both sides by log 4 so that we can find the value of x. So if we divide through by log 4, divide through by log 4, log 4's cancel out on the left hand side, and so we have x is equal to log of 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 plus log 2 raised to power 4, all divided by log 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 2. And all these, what we have on the right hand side, can simplify to 3 log 2 from our the earlier log rule that was stated, plus log 5 plus this becomes 4 log 2, all divided by 2 log 2. Now let us write out what we have on the right hand side as standalone fractions. So we have 3 log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2 plus 4 log 2 divided by 2 log 2. So log 2 cancel out, we have log 5 divided by 2 log 2. Log 2 cancels out there as well. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. So we have our x to be 3 over 2 plus half log 5 divided by log 2 plus 2. Our log rule states that when we have log of b divided by log of a, it is the same thing as log of b base a. And so this value here now becomes x equals 3 over 2 plus half log of 5 base 2 plus 2. This is our value of x, but we can still factor out 1 over 2. If we factor out 1 over 2, we get 1 over 2 into 3 plus log of 5 base 2 plus 4. Okay? And so this is our final answer. Now, we're not going to stop here. We're going to verify to make sure that this value of x is the correct answer. And to do that, we just plug in x into our initial equation, okay? And when we do that and simplify the left-hand side, the value we get should be equal to 40, which is what we have on the right-hand side. So let us go ahead and do that. We have 4 raised to power half into 3 plus log of 5 base 2 plus 4 minus 2. And we're trying to see if this is going to be equal to 40. Now, from the law of indices, as stated earlier, we know that a raised to power m minus n is equal to a raised to power m over a raised to power n. So our left-hand side now becomes 4 raised to power half into 3 plus log of 5 base 2 plus 4, all divided by 4 squared. Now, 4 here we can rewrite as 2 raised to power 2. So it now becomes 2 raised to power 2 times half into bracket 3 plus log of 5 base 2 plus 4, all divided by 4 squared. Now these 2 will cancel that 2, and so what we have is 2 raised to power 3 plus log of 5 base 2 plus 4, all divided by 4 squared is 16. Now, our log rule states, our law of indices states that when we have a raised to power m plus n, it is the same as a raised to power m times a raised to power n. Applying that to the numerator of the left-hand side, we now have 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power the log of 5 base 2 times 2 raised to power 4, all divided by 16. Let's see if that's going to be equal to 40. Our log rule states that when we have a raised to power the log of b base a, that is equal to b. So now this becomes 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 will give us 8 times 2 raised to power log of 5 base 2 will give us 5. 2 raised to power 4 is 16 divided by 16. 16s will cancel out. What we have left is 8 times 5, and 8 times 5 is 40. So therefore, we see that our left-hand side is equal to our right-hand side. And this simply just indicates to us that our value of x that we got earlier, which is what we have here, is the correct answer for x. So therefore, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure that you like it, share it, let me know what you have to say in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, educative videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care and bye-bye.